So here we are finally with the one and only Mr. Nikhil Sharma. So sir, this event is really grand and thank you so much for inviting us over here. Please tell us more about this event.
Well, thank you for firstly coming. This is an initiative that Radisson Hotels has taken called Radisson Road Trips, because we have hotels from Kashmir to Kanyakumari, and we've partnered with HMCI, which is Heritage Motors Cars of India, to take this initiative forward and show the beautiful cars that this country has.
Had this unique idea with the culture and the ambience and the complete rally. It is really mesmerizing. So can you tell us a little more about why did Radisson choose this?
Well, like I said, we've got beautiful hotels in beautiful locations, and road trips is essential to travel, right? And these vintage cars deserve to see the sun and light across the country, and that's really the objective.
So how did you suddenly get this idea? Like, where did this idea build from?
We wanted to showcase these cars with HMCI, and really kudos to HMCI for partnering with us and wanting to take this initiative forward.
So since we already know about Radisson and this amazing event that you have done, please tell us a little more about your personal journey. If not here, then where?
Well, I truly believe in following your passion, and I've always been passionate about hoteliering, and that's where I've been all my life.
So how did when was that age when you planned that you want to become a hotelier, and what really inspired you?
Well, I was actually in 11th standard. I love economics, and I still follow economics as a passion, and love to study about how other countries are doing. But really, in 11th, the passion towards hospitality and the exposure that we had as kids growing up really turned the wheel there.
Okay, that's wonderful. And since this is something very shocking, being there from 11th standard. So was it your vision all time, 11 till now?
Absolutely, no change.
Okay, no change of ideas, just one dream and then you achieved it. So what were the major challenges?
Well, there are lots of challenges, right? And it's the journey is always full of ups and downs, but that will be a full episode if I was to talk about it.
Definitely, we will have that as well. Thank you so much. Thank you.